Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are having a beautiful morning and will have an amazing day today. My name is Fawad Sabri and I'm studying Masters in International Business at EMS. So I'm taking over Instagram today and I will show you guys how my day goes. It's quite a busy day, but I'll tell you guys about the details once I'm ready. So I will see you guys in a while. Hello once again. So I just left home. I'm going to the train station, and as I said, it's quite a busy day. In the morning I'll have lectures, and in the afternoon I'm going to Deutsche Bahn. So with Deutsche Bahn we are doing a project as students. It's a very exciting project. We are really looking forward for it, but I'll tell you guys about the details throughout the day. Before going to Deutsche Bahn I have to attend two classes. It's business project and international economics. In business project I will have a presentation and we will see how it goes. So what we are doing with Deutsche Bahn is actually implementing a project so that we can have a feel of how project management is in real life. So we have our break right now. We talked about what the project will be and a little bit in details. We can't understand what it is, right, Ganesh?
Yeah.
Yeah, we do understand. But the thing is, whenever every project that you start, there's always uncertainty and you don't know what you're getting into, or the project is not clear, and that's part of project management. So that's what we are learning and trying to understand how do we actually remove this uncertainty and make this project successful. Hello everyone once again. So right now I'm at Deutsche Bahn and we are listening to presentations from DB Sister team. They're presenting different products and ideas, new innovations. So once everyone has presented their ideas, then we'll have a chance to go to each team and talk with them and discuss how did they come with this idea, what were the project related issues that they faced. So we are almost done with the demo day, and as I talked about the importance of coming to these kind of events and doing project management practically, I wanted to ask my professor and how he feels about it.
So I'm glad that Fawad is with me here at the demo day at David Sistel, where he got a first-hand impression of what they are doing in the accelerator after 10 weeks of working on their product ideas. So the real value in this business project is to expose students to business, to practice, talk to practitioners, talk with industry, do a live project, do a real project, not only theory, and also have possibilities for internship. So a semester-long project with one company on a real project, on a live case, is a great opportunity that allows not only to apply theoretical knowledge, but to engage with practitioners, get in touch, get contacts for activities in the future, such as thesis, projects, internships, working students, and I'm really looking forward for this, for the outcome of this project with DB Sistel and my team of master students at EMS.
So I'm done with the event right now. It was a great opportunity to talk with the people at Deutsche Bahn who drive innovation, and I got a lot of insights from them. It was really helpful to be at this event. So I just reached home. I think it was a great day today. We had a really nice presentation, and then going to DB and talking with them. It was really nice. And I think after that, I do deserve this. With that being said, I wish you guys a very good night. If you guys have any questions, do let me know. And I wish you guys a wonderful weekend, and we will see you next time.